How to switch back to Classic Yahoo Mail? Are you tired of the new Yahoo Mail interface and want to go back to the classic version? Here's how you can do it. First, you need to log in to your Yahoo account. Go to the Yahoo Mail website, enter your email and password, and click the Sign In button. Once you're in your inbox, look for the Settings option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. In the Settings menu, you'll see an option that says Switch to Classic Mail. Click on this option. You might be prompted to give some feedback on why you want to switch back to the classic view. You can fill this out if you want, but it's not required. After providing any feedback, click on the Switch to Classic Mail button. This will change your Yahoo Mail interface back to the classic mode. If you ever decide you want to go back to the newer version, you can do so easily. Just look for the button at the bottom left corner of the page that says Upgrade to the new Yahoo Mail and click on it. That's it. You've successfully switched back to the classic Yahoo Mail view. This process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes to complete.